Hey guys, it's Mia, and I'm here to do something that I haven't done in a very long time. And what we're going to do is a wig review. I know I've been posting some nail videos, and life has gotten busy like majority of everyone else, but I'm really excited to talk about this wig today. And this wig is from a company named Yolova, and they sell 100% virgin human hair units or wigs, whatever you want to call them. But I'm really excited to try this wig out. And they did send this wig to me for review. What we're going to do is unbox the unit, and then I'm going to wash it and then come back, blow dry, do all that stuff, and we'll see how to style it. But first, I wanted to talk about the packaging. This packaging is gorgeous. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this little strip around the box is like hollow, and I love hollow so much. So I was so excited when I did open it. It did come in like a mailing like a UPS, not, I don't think it came through UPS, but like the packaging, it wasn't in a box. It was in like the I don't know what you call them, like those envelopes, those plastic bags. So it did come, so it did slightly get a little banged up during transportation, but I'm not, too mad about that. But I will definitely list the information below the wig that I'm going to try out. But they have so many other cute wigs on the website that you can check out, and they're really good prices. Like, the prices for these wigs are insane. I'll actually put the price of this wig up on the screen as well. It's a very good deal. And great news, we also have a discount code, so definitely check that out in the description box as well. But look at that, look how that reflects. It's so very pretty. So we're gonna take that off, and it just slides off the box, and I'm just gonna move that out the way. So this is a one of these like slide out, like a little drawer. All right, so it comes in a little bag. So yeah, that's it. So it says, you see the inside of the box. Oh, it's so pretty. It's hollow as well, and I love that the brand says "Born for Beauty," a lasting natural looking solution. So I like that I can store the wig back in this box. So we'll put that out the way. And it comes in this satin bag, which I love these type of bags because you can store your wig in these bags as well. All right, so I'm gonna empty it out. Let's see. So we get, oh, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. Oh, good, we get some tweezers. So that's good for when we want to work with our part. If we want to work on the hairline, anything like that. And then what is this? We get, oh, some lashes. So it comes with lashes and some glue as a little gift. And then I really appreciate these because I can never have enough wig caps. I could never have enough of these. So this definitely will be used. So we're gonna put this satin bag out the way. And I'm excited to try this wig, guys, because since the, I guess, pandemic or whatever, I've been working from home, and I wear my natural hair, so I haven't really worn a wig in a while. So this is exciting. All right, so it has some the stuffing, and then it's the netting here. So I got the, matter of fact, let me see. All right, so I got the Kinky Straight Bob 13 by 4 lace wig, 180% density, and this is natural black human hair. And I'll put a picture up so you can kind of see how the mannequin look. And I got it in, did I just say it? I don't think I did. I got it in the 14-inch. So they have a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and a 14-inch. And I wanted it to be more of like a natural like lob, I guess, a long bob for me, and I'm 4'11", so it should be long. But I wanted you to look at this texture. This texture is that, you know, Kinky kinky straight. It's really pretty texture. But what we're going to do is wash it. I'm going to condition it, and then blow dry it and flat iron it. I have a new flat iron that I've been waiting to use from Sheer Genius or Deeper Than Hair. I don't know if any of you guys follow her. She has some of the best flat irons, and they sell out so quickly, and I finally got my hands on one, so I am so excited to try it out on this hair. But we can look at the inside cap construction so you can see how much parting. Okay, this parting looks really good. It has combs. I'm probably going to install a band. I think I am. I'm going to put a band in because I have a small head, and also I like for my wigs to be quite snug. So yeah, it has lace in the back, a little bit of lace in the back, I guess. But I don't wear my wigs up in a ponytail. Let's look at this hairline. Oops, shaking the camera. Sorry about that. This hairline looks... Ooh, I like that the hairline has these like dips. Like here, these like dips to make it look even more natural. So yeah, it has a really good caps construction. It really does. Very sturdy. So I'm just looking... Okay. This looks good. This looks really, really good. And also the hairline looks like it's already like plucked. It's not like a thick hairline. Let me see if it's pre-plucked or if it says on the website. It does. Ooh, yes, that's gonna save me some time. This is awesome. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it's a natural hairline. Excuse me. And it says glueless finest lace. This is wonderful. Yes, because oh yes, I'm so excited. That's going to definitely save me some time. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm going to do is wash the hair, and then I will come right back. All right, I've already blow dried the hair, so now we're going to just put random curls throughout this unit, and I'm going to use my new flat iron from deeperthanhair.com, which I have been loving. I'm using 400 degree, or I have the flat iron on 400 degrees, and like I said, I'm not like curling it in any particular way, just sectioning the hair out. I should have used some clips, but you see I'm using this pink scrunchie, and I'm curling the hair on this wig dryer head, which it's coming in handy, but I should have tacked it down because the wig was sliding on this wig head. But yes, it's curling very well. But what I'm doing is I'm not letting the heat sit on the hair too long, because I'm really trying to keep some of that texture and body in, and which you'll see in the next clip. But it curled very well. All right, guys, I'm back. So I have finished like curling her hair and flat ironing it. And if you notice from when I first started, and then the lighting probably has changed, I'm not sure. But I had lunch and I got sleepy and needed a nap. It's Sunday, so I needed my little Sunday afternoon nap. But I love that flat iron that I use. And what I did some loose curls because I knew they were going to slightly fall, and this is exactly how I wanted it. And what I did it at I flat ironed the hair at 400, I believe. But I used the Garnier Fructis flat iron perfector, because it has some argan oil in it as well as a heat protector. And I didn't want a heavy hold because I was going to use like a serum heat protector, but I wanted something a little lighter. But I love that it made the hair so shiny. And the hair was already like really shiny, but what I didn't want it like bone straight. I wanted still a little bit of fluffiness too. So if you can see, you can still see some texture in this hair, and I love it. This hair looks so natural. Like I took it off. I haven't cut the lace yet, but I took it off and just put on my head really quick to see how it looked. And man, this looks like my hair blown out just a little thicker. This is how I want my hair, because my hair is more fine. But if it was just a little thicker, it would look just like this. This is gorgeous. And I love the length. For me, like I said, I think I said earlier, I'm 4'11". So this is gonna be a little longer on me. It's 14 inches. So it's perfect for me. And I mean, it's a good length for anyone, but it just depending on how long your neck is, how tall you are, all that good stuff. So this is the back, and I'm going to slightly turn it. And I also changed the head. I put on my canvas head, because the little head I was using before is good for when you need to when you need to dry like the inside of your wig. I'm not sure if you had a wig before you washed it and the hair is dry, but the inside of the cap is still like wet or moist or whatever. That's what that head is for. It's a great investment. I'll link that down below as well, or I'll just do another video on that. But yeah, this is so pretty. You see, I got the little like bang going back. I love it. So yeah, this is the hair. I haven't cut the lace off. All right, guys, I'm back. I went ahead and put the wig on, and I am loving her. She is absolutely gorgeous. Once again, this is from Yolova.com, and this is the Kinky Straight Bob 13x4 lace wig, 180 density, and it is in natural black, and it's 14 inches. And once again, as a reminder, I'm 4'11", so I'm a shorty, and you can see how long this wig is on me. There's also, I think I said earlier, there's a 15% off code. It'll be in the description bar. Take advantage of it. I'm so blown away by this wig. I'm already thinking about the next one I want to get from this website, because this is exactly what I've been wanting and what I've been looking for. I love this wig. It is bomb. It is so pretty. I'm so happy for this wig. And this is the packaging. Once again, this beautiful hollow box, or you know, the hollow wrapping, and then it's hollow on the inside. So I'm definitely going to keep this box for storage, and put that down, so because I am standing up, right? So I know it's been a long time no see with me being actually on camera, since I've been doing so many nail videos, but I had to come back for this. But look at this. So I like the fact that it still has a kinky texture. I used 400 degree heat. I could have went higher to the 450, but I didn't want to. I wanted to keep some of this like this fluff in it. And look at that. It is just, I want you guys to see how this wig looks. I mean, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. This is 100% virgin hair. This wig is going to last you, and I will be rocking this wig for a while. So I put it on, what is this, my right side. It's probably coming up left for you, right? Oh Lord, I had to check myself. This is on my right side, my the hair is going. And then I have it tucked behind my ears. I think now I'm seeing the light, I'm probably gonna cut a little more lace off, but these are my edges right here. You can glue it down. I just don't glue my wigs. I just like to have a little bit of my hairline out, and my hairline dips, and I like to have the wig back a little more because I have so many like dips and grooves in my own hairline. And this is the parting. I put some powder, some powder in the part. So the part looks really good. You can tweeze it. I'm not doing all that. Matter of fact, if you can see all that, that means you're too close. And with this panoramica going on, you don't need to be that close. The only person that needs to be that close to me is my man. So yes, this wig is gorgeous. Yeah, I probably cut a little more lace going back, but I didn't even put the band in either, and I'm gonna put that in later, but it feels very snug, very, very snug. So I'm going to turn around so you can see it. So this is the side. This is the back. And that's why I said earlier that this is more, to me, of a long bob, I guess. To me, it's just like a natural length. Very realistic length. I love it. And I like, you can see some of that texture in it. Oh, this wig is just bomb. yeah, this is the wig, right? Let me know what you think. Let me know if you checked out the website. Use the code 15% off. Let me know what you get, right? If you, I'm trying to see where I'm looking because I'm on my phone. But let me know what you get. If you like this wig, let me know how you think it looks on me. I love it. I absolutely love it. You can't tell me nothing right now. Like this right here, gorgeous. Yeah, let me know what you think. Follow me on my Instagram right here, Mia's Glitz. You see all my nail videos, which I will be posting more. I'll try to post more here. But if you follow me on Instagram, I post multiple times a week there. Just saying, I'm more active there. So, you want to talk to me and see me there? Go to my Instagram. Anyway, I will see you on the next video and talk to you later. Bye.